The Vivo V60 was launched in India in August, and it is rumored to be joined by another handset in the lineup. Vivo V60e is set to redefine smartphone photography, featuring a flagship 200MP ultra-clear portrait camera, as this device promises a flagship camera feature with unmatched detail, lifelike clarity, and professional-level versatility right in your pocket, paired with an 8MP ultra-wide-angle lens and a dual rear setup. As for the rest of the specs, the Vivo V60e is said to be boasting a MediaTek Dimensity 7360 SoC, delivers seamless multitasking, efficient 5G connectivity, and smooth handling of apps and games. It is also said to feature a gorgeous 120Hz quad-curved AMOLED display, offering an immersive viewing experience with vibrant colors, razor-sharp clarity, and fluid scrolling. The Vivo V60e is rumored to come with IP68 and IP69 ratings. The battery is tipped to be 6,500 mAh. Fast charging support could go up to 90W. The price of Vivo V60e in India will begin at 28,999 rupees for the base variant with 8GB of RAM and 256GB of onboard storage. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.